Hello children, today we will continue with the same chapter addition and subtraction. We will do the word problems based on addition and also exercise number 9. In chapter 4, exercise number 9, you will find the word problems that is based on addition. Before explaining the word problems, I just want to discuss some important points that are based on word problems of addition. Children, word problems based on addition are easy to solve. It is important to identify them. So, you can look for the following terms to identify the addition word problems. These terms are total, in all, altogether, add, sum, more. मतलब अगर आपकी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में दी गई टर्म्स टोटल, इन ऑल टुगेदर, ऐड, सम या मोर इनका यूज़ हुआ है तो हमें वहाँ ऐड ही करना होता है। वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए 3 बहुत ज़रूरी स्टेप्स होते हैं। सबसे पहले हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं या आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम एडिशन की है या किसी और फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन पर बेस्ड है। एक बार फाइंड आउट हो जाने के बाद हम नंबर्स को प्रॉपरली कॉलम्स में अरेंज करते हैं और स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं। फाइनली हम एडिशन की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं ऐड करके और हम अंत में उसका कंक्लूजन लिखते हैं। सो लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Rajiv purchases a sofa set and a dining set costing rupees 36,875 and 87 rupees 365 respectively. It means the cost of sofa set is 36,875 rupees, while the cost of dining set is 87,365. Now you have to find out how much money he has to pay in all. Children, as I told you, the term in all itself shows that the word problem is based on addition. So here we will do the addition. So first of all, we will write the statement. You will write the cost of sofa set, that is 36,875. Then you will write the cost of dining set, that is 87,365 rupees. Now you will arrange the numbers in column and then you will add. By adding, we have got the answer 1,24,240 rupees. So we will write. We will write the last statement, that is Rajiv has to pay 1,24,240 rupees in all. Now let's see question number 3. A number exceeds 2,48,555 by 17,645. What is that number? Let us see the meaning in Hindi. क्वेश्चन में ये कहा जा रहा है कि कौन सा नंबर 2,48,545 से 17,645 ज़्यादा है। यहाँ एक्सीड्स टर्म से पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ हमें एडिशन करना है, तो हम यहाँ 2,45,555 में 17,645 को ऐड करेंगे। Now let's form the statement. You will write here the number that exceeds 2,48,555 by 17,645 is. After that, you will arrange these numbers in column and find the sum. By adding, the sum you have got is 2,66,200. So you will write the last statement that 2,66,200 is the number that exceeds 2,48,555 by 17,645. Let's see question number 5. In a certain year, 3 sugar factories produced 38,947, 47,098, 93,907 bags of sugar respectively. It means the first factory produced 38,947 sugar bags, The second factory produced 47,098 sugar bags and the third factory produced 93,907 sugar bags. Now you have to find how many bags in all were produced by these factories. इन तीनों फैक्ट्रीज ने मिलकर कितना प्रोडक्शन किया उस पर्टिकुलर ईयर में. अगेन द टर्म इन ऑल इज यूज्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड सम. Let's form the statement. You will write the first statement, sugar bags produced by first factory, that is 38,947. Then you will write the second statement, sugar bags produced by second factory, that is 47,098. And then you will write sugar bags produced by third factory, that is 93,907. Now you will find the bags produced in all by these factories. So here you will add all three numbers, that is 38,947, 47,098, 93,097 by arranging in columns. Now the sum is 1,79,952. So you will write the last statement that the factory produced 1,79,952 sugar bags in all. Let us see question number 7. In an election, there were 4 candidates. They received 39,456, 24,947, 8,698 and 978 votes respectively. This means the first candidate received 39,456 votes, the second candidate received 24,947 votes and the third candidate received 8,698 votes. The fourth candidate is also there. He has received 978 votes. Now see the next step. If 2,367 votes were found invalid, so some invalid votes are also there. मतलब ये वो वोट्स हैं जिनकी काउंटिंग नहीं हुई है, जो किसी भी वजह से काउंट नहीं हो पाए हैं. तो ये वोट्स है 2,367. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी वोट्स इन ऑल वर पोल्ड. Children, as you have seen, in all is used in the question. It means in this question also you have to find the sum. Now, the most important thing is you have to find the sum of the number of votes received by the 4 candidates and also the invalid votes. So, let's write the first statement. The first statement will be number of votes received by the first candidate, that is 39,456. Then number of votes received by the second candidate, that is 24,947. The number of votes received by the third candidate, that is 8,698 votes. Then you will write the number of votes received by the fourth candidate, that is 978 votes. Then you will write number of invalid votes, that is 2,367. Now you will arrange all these numbers, that is the number of votes received and the invalid votes, in column, and then you will find the sum. Finally, the sum is 76,446. The last statement will be 76,446 votes were polled in all. Let's do the last question, that is question number 9. In a particular year, the male population of a city was 37,989 more than the female population. If number of females be 1,48,796, what was the male population? Also you have to find what was the total population in that year. It means here 2 questions are given. You have to find the male population as well as you have to find the total population in that particular year. Children, in this question it is given that there are 1,48,796 females. The accurate number of male population is not given. Although the hint is given that the males are 37,989 more than the female population. It means here you have to find the sum of female population and 37,989. So by adding female population and 37,989, you will get the sum 1,86,785. This is the male population. Now you have solved the first question. It is given, first question was what was the male population. So the male population is 1,86,785. Now you have to find the total population. Children, to find the total population, you will add the number of females and the number of males. Now, number of females are 1,48,796 and the number of males are 1,86,785. So, you will find the sum of these two numbers by arranging in columns. Now, you will get 3,35,581. So, this is the total population. So, you will write the total population in that year was 3,35,581. Children, for solving word problems, it is very mandatory to form the statement and follow the steps. So, I have explained question number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 with statement and stepwise. You are supposed to go through the video thoroughly and carefully. Also, you will do all these questions, that is question number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in your copy, fair copy with the help of pencil. And the rest of the questions that I have not explained, that is question number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These questions you will practice in your rough register. It's your homework. Also, you will do exercise number 10 from question number 1 to 8 in book. It is simple subtraction sums. In exercise number 11, you will solve question number 1 to 12 in your book. These are the sums based on subtraction. I think this much is enough for this week. Thank you. Thank you.